what's up, guys? It's Auggie for Parts Online Network with a quick video, more of like just a, I guess, a PSA or whatnot. We have a customer's car here, a 2010 Challenger RT with the 5.7 Hemi and the tr6060 transmission. So we thought it was going to be a clutch issue because, well, I'll just let Nate explain to you because. So what were the symptoms that that the customer was having with the
customer states? First and second gear were a little tough. Fifth gear was tough to get into, and then sixth gear it wouldn't go in at all. So usually, you know, that's like a clutch thing or like a spring broke or something stupid.
But this time it was something different.
We have a new one.
So let me flip the camera around and show you.
We have some needle bearings that are supposed to be in the pilot bearing, not outside of it.
Yeah, so as you can see, that pilot bearing is completely chewed out. And not only did it chew it out there, but it also did a number on the input shaft and the trans. I will show you that now.
Fingernail will get stuck there at the ends.
Yeah, so there goes the input shaft. You see that groove? That groove and grinding is not supposed to be there. That's where the, what do you think, possible grease, it ran out of grease?
I think it probably ran out of grease and seized up, yeah.
Yeah, so it grinded out here, and this actually, you can stop on your nail at both front and back, so the input shaft is definitely going to have to be replaced. So I've never seen this happen before, so I figured I'd make a quick video just letting you guys know about it, because naturally, if you think it's the clutch, you're going to see that anyway, but I just wanted to just document that because I've never seen that, and a normal diagnosis, I'm like, all right, yeah, cool, it was just a clutch, but it was something different. The clutch is actually still in decent condition, but now we're gonna have to take the transmission apart and replace the input shaft, and luckily the race is still fine in there, so we'll just pull out the pilot bearing, put a new one in, and she'll be back to normal. So there goes Andy. But yeah, that's it, end of the video. Just wanted to bring it to you guys. Talk to you later. Quick note, Mopar, why did you do this?
Yes.
So what's going on right here?
So, you know, 3 studs at the top that you can't get to, 2 to hold some bracket for the harness, a ground, 4 bolts for the starter.
Why?
This one goes in backwards.
What's
it's
reverse thread or no?
No, it just is in towards the front. You know what I mean?
Okay.
It's not transmission side; it's engine side.
Are they all different sizes?
Yeah, there are 14s, 15s, 13s, and then long ones. 2 more that go in backwards. It's why?
Engineers. Thanks, Mopar.